Today in this video, I'm gonna show you like how you can open your working folder in Visual Code Studio using command. I think every developer have to know this shortcut because it will save their time. Now let me show you the shortcut. First of all, you have to select in a folder that you exactly want to open in Visual Code Studio. For example, I want to open like this folder in my Visual Code Studio. So I just open this folder. And here, as you can see here, as you can see in the top, you have to click on, double click on there, then in your keyboard Control A, then click backspace, then type here CMD and then enter. Now as you can see, we get the command tool. Now we have to type like code space dot enter. As you can see here, successfully open Visual Code Studio with our working folder. As you can see, this is a working folder, and if you want to create a new file, then just click on here new file and then create your file and type the file name. And if you want to create any kind of folder in there, just click on here the folder and type the folder name and just enter, then it will be create. And if you go to your folder and if you reload this, then you'll see here a newly created file and also newly created folder. Thanks for watching. Thank you.